Yeah, and it's gonna be Aimer.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
yeah,
Aimer
I heard this
voice,
one was
alright.
made by the one that like did the Demon Slayer opening 2, I guess. That's what it's called.
So it seems like Himeno once again
It's a
takes the
Himeno,
spotlight
bro.
in this ending. Because
Oh,
she
R.I.P.
died,
It's
basically.
so devastating
No
to
coming
see
back
that
now.
last episode. Last episode was
man,
that shit
man.
crazy. Someone also said that this episode is also crazy too.
Oh, damn! This is quite an animation.
Really hope she come back some type of way because damn, she was so cold that last episode with the ghost devil.
That was like her intestines.
Oh, those are organs?
Those intestines falling from the screen.
So gory.
Like what?
I mean, basically showing
Oh my god, beautiful ass voice.
Ghost devil.
This is definitely getting added onto the playlist 100%.
Yo. Yeah,
look like I cursed for a second.
Really bloody. Holy shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Definitely get it added to the playlist 100%.
Song where she have them strong instrumental moments.
How you pronounce her name? Aimer never miss. Like damn.
Seriously, that is kind of disgusting. It's
Listen, back-to-back fire ass music.
Yo. Hey,
Oh, we got Makima too.
This ending is
R.I.P. to her, bro. She got her ass clapped last episode
holy
too.
shit. This ending is
Shit. Really hope both of them come back some type of way, bro, because I feel like they were killed off way too soon. I guess that's what y'all meant by like shit was going back.